Guys, how are you today? This is Nigeria's opinion, and today's tutorial I want to show you how to make money online using TimeBucks. Can you imagine? Wait, what? You can make money just by doing survey and watching videos. Believe me, guys, I just found this app called TimeBucks. It actually pays. Let me show you how I use it step by step. Believe me, it's pay and it's 100% real. Most of people I know, some people will know this app, and people that doesn't know, please kindly share and let it reach people so that they can benefit from this video. And believe me, first, timebox.com, just go there, then you check this thing. I'll be showing you everything, how to register. You just need to download the app, sign up using your Gmail or Google account. Super simple. Once you log in, then this I will be showing you my dashboard. You will see earnings. Just withdraw like $10 last 4 days ago, and I can't believe, it's very nice. Surveyed and asked thing is price, and I can't lie to you guys. Survey is very nice. The site is very good. If you can work, you can take a survey. You will see different way to make money there. You can take a survey. You can watch short video. You can complete offer. Then even small daily tasks. You can get it. Everything is there. Then you will you will see my earnings, everything. You will know that I'm just trying to explain to you that you need to do something. You understand me, guys? This site is very real, and the best part, you can withdraw through PayPal, Bitcoin, anything. Once you hit the maximum payout, no trick, no stress, and it's 100% real. Believe me, I will show you my wallet, everything. And if you want to start try to tap the link in the comment section or visit timebox.com. Join. Don't waste the time scrolling. You understand? Make that time pay you. Make it just pay you instead of, you understand? Let's earn smart, not hard. So I think this one will benefit from you, and I will be showing you now how. So guys, what you will do right now is go to your Google Chrome, then you type TimeBucks. TimeBucks.com. TimeBucks.com, TimeBucks.com. Then when you go there, you log in with your account. It's because I've already logged in before. I have my account there. That is why it's showing this. So you will see now, when it's finished loading, you will see my earning for only yesterday. That is it, $1. And it's because I'm not working well. If I work, then I will make more than this. So you will see all the this thing. You'll be seeing their messages here when they approve your this thing. I have some work now that are still pending. So if they check it very well and they see everything is okay, then they can now approve it. You'll be seeing everything here. You can see now. This is grateful offers. That's 6 hours. Task submission rejection. That means they reject that one. And even they reject this one also 18 hours ago. Your tax submission has been approved. This one also approved. Many ones like that, they approve it. You understand now? So I still have some work that they have never verified now, and you can see from your dashboard. This is the dashboard. You will see what you can earn. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to earning. Understand now? So we are in the page now. Understand? This is your survey, where you can do your survey game. You can play game as you like. You can make a task. Overall, you this push link, this one you can do this one every 2 hours. They will be giving you $0.02 every 2 hours. You can do this. You understand? Push click. You understand? That is it. And this is click also for referral and click. Then let's see the video. You understand? Very nice. This thing. It's